Welcome, Kindred Spirits. Yes, it's summer, and today we're just laying low at the apartment homestead, and we're going to start the day off with a gentle cup of tea. So my package had arrived today. I had ordered a vintage 1960s straw purse off of eBay, and I have wanted one of these for so long, and I finally found one that was affordable and needed a little bit of care, but was doable, and it finally arrived, and I'm very excited. So I'm just gonna have to clean it up a bit, replace probably the lining. Yes, the lining has to be replaced. And the hinges on the bottom too are going to need a little love. But it's a fun project, and I'm gonna get started by disinfecting and cleaning this. Most of you already know how much I love all things nostalgic, all things vintage. But if you're new, check out this link, a video I did on nostalgia. I think you'll really be charmed by it. So the lining is out, and it turns out whoever previously owned the purse used a plastic picnic tablecloth for the lining, which is very strange. But I'm going to use this silk material, and I think it really looks perfect, and it goes really well with the purse. So here we go. introduce to you the easiest, the most refreshing, healthy salad that you'll be eating all the time. And it's actually just called a pureed salad. But lemon is king in the salad, so you will need lemon. But most of the ingredients you already have right in your refrigerator. So you need a Kirby cucumber, small tomato, lemon of course, red pepper, and a few large pieces of romaine lettuce, and that's it. And all we're going to do is put them in a blender and puree them, and you are ready for a taste sensation. Simple, right? So easy. Now, these are on the cutting board because these are going to get chopped up. We need of the full Kirby, the full tomato, but only half of lemon and half of the red pepper. So let's get chopping. Here it is, and I put some edible flowers in it to make it look so pretty. Oops. And perfect for a day like today. And I really hope you'll try it. It's so easy. It's going to be your go-to salad. Pair it with challah bread if you can get it. So delicious. Challah bread is light and fluffy, and with butter it's wonderful with the salad. Easy to make, healthy, delicious. You have to try it. Well, it's late at the apartment homestead, and Miss Felicity has been fed and she's sleeping, and I'm now going to relax with my decaf tea and my Charles Dickens novel. And I'd like to say thank you so much for dropping by today, Kindred Spirits, and I certainly hope you'll subscribe so you can get all the Serenity, Peace, and Comfort videos. So God bless you, and make sure you come back.